Hey guys, Brenden here from Infotainment. We're here checking out the new Chevy Camaro SS. We're going to show you all the cool features that this car has and what it's like to drive. So let's go check it out. So to start, these Camaros come with LED headlights, which means it's really helpful in seeing at nighttime. Also, this is an SS, which means it's a super sport. So this car can go really fast, especially with its new aerodynamic design. Really sleek. It also comes with blind spot monitoring, which means it'll be really helpful driving on the road so you don't get out of your lane at the wrong time. And it also features a backup camera, which is also a very helpful feature. So why don't we go on the inside and check that out. Maybe we can take it for a test drive too. So on the inside of the Camaro SS has a lot of really cool features. Totally digital speedometer cluster. And the radio itself is really awesome. So this is the home screen. You can show, obviously there's no phone connected, but you can connect your phone to it. It shows the radio and a GPS, but then if you swipe, it shows all of the apps and features that are included in the radio. So it comes with, obviously if you click audio, this is your typical radio setup. You can choose the input of the radio. So you got like Sirius XM, your Bluetooth, if there was a device connected, there's more. And it comes with these preset features as well. Go back to the home screen. It has a cool little button right here for the home screen. You can, obviously if your phone's connected, you can just click the phone button. I won't do anything right now. Let's go back to home. Navigation. You can type in anything, you can zoom out, you can look around, you can search, and then you can choose either like fuel, you can choose some like preset things like fuel, parking, favorites, and so on. There's even voice control. Let's go back to home. And there's also other features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So that way if you connect your phone, no matter if it's an Apple or an Android phone, it's completely compatible with this system. There's also other preset apps that you can look at, as well as things like Spotify comes on it, climate control. Right now it's off, but you can turn it on, just like that, and then you'll get nice and cool AC. And yeah, there's other apps as well that you can look at. There's the marketplace, you can download other apps. And also there's this really cool feature that we're gonna check out in a minute here. Another cool feature that this car has on the inside is that it has what's called ambient lighting, which just lights up different accents of various points in the vehicle, specifically the doors and around the radio here. So you can choose any color from these options. There's just white, which will make the lights turn out white. You can go, red, which would be a cool little accent that will appear. And you can even do something as crazy as like one of these colors, which, green and red, which will make it turn green and red. You can also do, let's see, purple or pinkish purple, or like magenta. That one's more purple. So just a fun little way to customize your vehicle. Drives really well, really smooth, has a great feel to it. Definitely feels like a sports car. Feels pretty comparable to the Mustang I drove like a week ago. Tested that out, new Mustang. This one also doesn't have different driving modes like the Mustang did. The Mustang had like sports mode and things like that. You can drive like a little bit faster if you wanted to. It all depends on personal preference of which vehicle you prefer. Some people might like a Mustang more, some people might like a Camaro more. Hard to tell which one. I would say I like more between the two cars. I just like sports cars in general. They're just fun to drive. But this one definitely handles well. All right, guys, we just checked out the new Chevy Camaro SS, and we're back here at Infotainment. I'd say this was a pretty fun drive. You can check out more videos by us at infotainment.com and our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.